Hi, this is a continue for Selenium automation lifecycle video tutorial 2. So we have discussed up to test scripts right in previous video. Okay, and we have covered so far planning test cases for test scripts, enhanced test. See here we have discussed for here. Okay, when coming to test script, it is debug right. When coming to debug, you need to just run for debug mode. Right click, debug as. Here you will see debug as test and test. If you click this one, debug mode will start. It will automatically run your script. It will check everything is working fine or not. Okay. Script will execute it. You can see from here. UTP testing menu. See each and every menu I am clicking. So instead of run as test.ng, you can debug your test scripts like this. And you can debug the help of, you can see from here debug, and you can see one debug configuration, debug as. Okay, debug history. So which one is the debug history? I'm coming to properties file selenium java, properties file selenium. If you click on this one, it will open, it will display your debug history. Okay, again it is opening. See, it will display here. Everything it is displaying. Instead of always running, you need to debug the script. Okay, like this you need to check for debug each and every time while you are preparing your test scripts. Okay, I will show you one more. Coming to debug configurations, see what a file I have selected, it is showing here. Okay, when coming to your, see each and every example class file is showing here. See it under test.ng. See it is having different arguments, nothing. Classes, class path is showing, gr is source, environment common. So this is a common thing. Display favorite menu, debug and run. Default is inherited, apply and debug. Once debug is started, everything will test, execute properly and verify. From here you can see the result. Same like run as test.ng, same debug as test.ng. It is running, see. So everything it is displaying under debug mode. Okay, failed and summary. So like this you can debug your test scripts. Okay, so by this debug you can know that what are the errors, anything happen, anything is there in your test scripts before running your script. Okay, next coming to enhance your test scripts. Enhance your test script means suppose I am using object repository in OR.properties file, which is there OR.properties files. I am using menu properties, which is a XPath. I am using for each menu. I am using XPath base URL I am receiving from this OR.properties file. So like this, you need to compulsory enhance your script with the help of properties like object repository, and you need to get property base URL. Okay, instead of declaring every XPath and ID everything, you have to just declare like this. Then only your script will looks like real-time script. So which the experienced guys are preparing like this. Okay, everything is calling from our properties files. So everything is gathered here. See, each and every element you need to gather XPath ID. Okay, different like this you need to prepare, and you have to use, see, assertion method. I have given example with assertion A also. So you need to prepare, see, string for first path, second path, third path. I have given like this. Instead of giving here, just declare in object repository file. Okay, generation reports for you need to use different tools. Okay, for reporting HTML reports. Okay, you need to enhance your script with a logger. Okay, log you need to URL is open, Firefox browser is open, info pass fail test cases. You need to result, if result gets status, so like this success, your get will be logger, it will. Okay, so like this you need to use different logs technologies. Okay, and you need to generate the report, which could be in the form of emailable reports. Okay, and verifying status, assert verification points. See, I have written here, add verification point with the help of assertion like assert that, assert to, assert equal, and you have to do for loggers. Okay, and reports tools, different reports tools, which is a HTML report. Okay, you can take the screenshot for each and every test scripts for each and every method. Okay, and you can use for test output folder also. So instead of giving this test output, you can use, I'm giving test results. See, it is showing under this. If I open this one, open with, I open web browser, external reports I am using, so it is not opening. So let me open this properties where I have given. Okay, let's go to this path. I will show you. See, I'm using a reporting tool. This one is I am using for report tools. Okay, now I'm taking screenshot. Test cases pass. So how many test cases pass? How many I have run info? How many pass? How many? Okay, what is this param or Windows? You can use this one. Okay, if you click on here, if you click on here, you will see everything. Okay, what URL is open, test case is pass. So everything it will display. So like this, you need to use your in your script with the help of different reporting tools. Just close this one, which comes under enhance your script. Like this, different tools you need to use to generate HTML reports on the verification points, like verify expected result with the actual results, whether proper page is opening or not. Okay, like this you need to use enhance. Next, coming to debug test script, I have shown debug. In my next class, I will show you actual how development team debug their script. Okay, next class I will show you this one, and running your test script, run as a test scripts. Okay, test ng. Next, analyzing your test results like the from I have written here. See, Firefox browser is open URL. If it is having an error, so if it is pass also it is I am showing. Fail also you can show. What then only you can understand why my application is giving errors. Okay, so like this, it pass, info, fail, everything you can see. Okay, with the help of analyzing test result, then only you can know that. If you are taking screenshot, I have taken screenshot. Let's see here, I am storing in screenshot, open browser. So let me show you where I have written screenshots. Yes, taken screenshot. So this screenshot is showing there in my report, right? In upcoming classes we will see how to take screenshots and display into test results. What are the test results I am using here? How to show here for each and every steps. Okay, like this. You need to enhance your script and analyze your script like this. Okay, debug defect log. Once you find out the defect, what is the defect, why it is has raised, in your test scripts while execution, then only you can log the defects, what is the steps to report this, what is the expected and actual result it is given. So what are the steps you have written, script you have written, so what it is happening, so why they have given a defect, okay, why your test script is failed for particular method, for particular script, where it would be an identification of elements in web applications or any other reasons like database down or server is restarted. So if you have taken each and every step test screenshots, then only you can know that this particular error is happening, that's why it is giving the error. Okay, so like this you need to prepare your automation test life cycles in your Selenium automation script test script whenever you are preparing for web applications or any other applications, okay, where it could be executing IE, Firefox, Safari or Chrome browser. Just you need to follow these steps, okay. Thank you for watching my videos. So please, if you have any comments or doubts, please provide me in the form of comments, and please share my video with your friends or colleagues, and like my video, okay. Please subscribe, don't forget to subscribe my video. I'm giving different videos in Selenium with the help of real-time example, okay. Thank you for watching me. Yeah, have a nice day and good night.